Hello everyone, welcome back and welcome to our today's tutorial. If you're new here, karibu sana and kindly consider subscribing. In this video, you're going to learn how to crochet simple curl spirals using single crochets. So let's get into the video. I'll be using size 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. So to begin, make a slip knot. Insert your hook in the loop and make 36 chains. So here I have 36 chains. To our next step, skip the first chain and make 5 single crochets in the next one. 1, 2, until you have 5 single crochet. To the next, make 5 single crochets. Five. To the next chain, make 5 single crochets in the same space. Next chain, 5 single crochets. To the next chain, 5 single crochets. Into the next chain, make 5 single crochets. 1, 2, so that is all we're going to do, making 5 single crochet in every chain all the way to the end, and I'll meet you at the end to show you what to do next. So I have 2 chains remaining. I'm going to make 5 single crochet in each. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and into the last chain 5 single crochets, chain 1, tighten off and cut your yarn, yeah. So that's all for our today's project. It's that simple, very quick to make. So align the curls in one direction. You can make these curl spirals in different colors and in different lengths, shorter or longer depending on what you want to achieve. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please give this video a like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. If you're new, remember to subscribe for more tutorials. So until next one, bye.